Hi everyone, this is Kelly. Let's read stories on Kindle Vella. You can read on mobile, and for that you're gonna need to download the app. That it's the Kindle app from Amazon because the normal Amazon app doesn't read stories. You're gonna have to log in with your Amazon credentials as if you're logging in on Amazon. Um, and then you're gonna search for the story that you want to read. In this case, we're looking for Lilith Fletcher. Whenever you find it, you're going to scroll down. You can follow the story so that you get the updates. It's easier to find. If you scroll down, you hit all episodes. You're going to see a list of the available episodes. Then you can hit the specific episode that you want to read, and it's going to open. You're going to enjoy, read. You can read some author notes. You can like the story. You can also vote in any available polls, and you can even claim some 200 free tokens if you're new to the platform. Have fun! Also, you can do it on computer. So for the computer, you're gonna go to Amazon.com. You're gonna go to Kindle Store on the selection, and then look for the book that you want to read. When you find it, in this case, again, Lilith Fletcher, and you're going to get to the detail page. You're going to scroll, select all episodes, and select the specific episode that you want to watch, and you're going to get prompt to log in if you're not logged in yet. You're going to follow the story if you want to. You are going to read the episode that you want, check the notes, like it, and answer any polls. Fave and crowns are available. If you purchase in tokens, they can give it weekly. Kindle Vella is only available for the USA right now. And have fun. Bye.